Hi, this is David Comfort from Democracy Action Network. Here's a mind-blowing fact. The stock market is hitting record highs, while the American economy is struggling with inflation driven by tariffs. Isn't that wild? It's almost like we're living in two different realities. The recent tariff policy rollout has laid bare the winners and losers in this trade war, and the implications are far-reaching. Now, let's break this down. The administration recently published a list of approximately 70 countries and their respective tariff rates set to take effect soon. While big tech, financials, and utilities are basking in the glow of this new regime, sectors like consumer staples, energy, and healthcare are feeling the pinch. Ever notice how the tech giants seem to thrive no matter the economic climate? It's like they're wearing a protective bubble while the rest of us are left to navigate the stormy seas of inflation and rising costs. David Kelly from JP Morgan points out a critical disconnect. The stock market's stellar performance doesn't reflect the reality of everyday Americans. What if I told you that the tariff-driven inflation hasn't even fully hit consumers yet? That's a sobering thought. As investors scramble to identify which sectors will weather the storm, it's clear that the pain is not evenly distributed. Luxury brands and travel companies are holding up well, while discount retailers are struggling to pass on higher costs to already stretched customers. This brings us to a broader context. How often do we see the wealth gap widen during economic shifts? The winners in this trade war are primarily benefiting those at the top, while lower-income consumers are left grappling with the fallout. It's absurd and unfair. And let's not forget the copper tariffs. Initially, investors were bracing for significant levies, but the final rates were less severe than expected, leading to a dramatic drop in copper prices. This is a prime example of how the markets can misprice risks based on speculation. What are we really trying to secure here? It's a question worth pondering as we navigate these turbulent waters. In conclusion, while the market may be rallying, it's clear that trade policies are intricately shaping sector performance. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for investors and everyday citizens alike. The big problems we face, like income inequality and market volatility, are puzzles worth solving together. Let's keep the conversation going and ensure that everyone has a seat at the table. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It would help out a lot. Peace.